Okay, so hopefully I'm not too loud or too quiet. Audio is not easy, especially by the time it gets like up to YouTube. It's kind of stuff can change, or you play it back on your phone versus a desktop, whatever. And hopefully this crappy little webcam is doing its job. All right. So I had to reboot my computer. I love Linux, but Linux Mint gets a little funny sometimes. So, yeah. Anyway. Okay. So, let's, what do I need to do here? I need to open this up. We've got some no copyright jazz playing. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, if my launch.json script actually works, then I should be able to just run from VS Code and make it easier than trying to jump around and jump through all these different folders. So let's see if that is the case. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff. All right. I was like, why is this taking so long? It was loading everything up. Although I do have like one of the world's worst laptops. I have this little Dell i5, some Intel machine. It's fine, but I can hear those fans spinning up. I've already broken some keys as well. So, like my arrow keys, because I use the arrow keys quite a bit. Alright. It's taking a while to... Oh, okay. Is it loading? That would be cool if... Oh, I also changed the theme on Godot. I'm more of a gray dark than a blue dark. Did it build? Cool, dude. Okay. I'm into that. I like that. That integration works just well enough. Okay. So we are more or less onto the final couple bits of the Godot tutorial, so I'm gonna see if I can finish this up. Felt kind of sick today. I think my wife is saying it was a migraine. I think I woke up with a migraine and got a little sick, but feeling better, just tired. I have a spindrift. So let's see if we can do something. Okay. So I want this kind of like that. If we can wing it. And then this I would like to be more like this. What do we have VS Code at? Oh, VS Code is pretty collapsed, so maybe okay. There we go. Those fans. Oh boy. My work gave me this really nice, or not gave me, lets me use this really nice MacBook. But I'm not a big, Mac OS kind of guy. I like the hardware, the, aluminum case and all of that's pretty nice. The screen is really nice. However, it's thousands of dollars. So I got this laptop for $300. And it works for the most part. So okay, so the last little bit of this was getting rid of the new game call. It says replace it with pass. Alright. I'm like kind of hungry, but not. There we go. So I'm like, ugh. I don't know. I'm gonna go eat a taco after this, I think. Maybe pause at some point. Alright. So we're creating a new scene. Other node, and then what? Canvas layer for UI. You know, this music is even a little loud for me. I'm gonna turn this down. Sorry if that was obnoxious to anyone for the first few minutes. Sound is difficult. I think I've said that, so. Okay, so we have a canvas layer. And they want us to name it HUD for heads up display. Canvas layer lets us do UI. Okay. So we need some text and a button. The basic node for UI elements is control. To create our UI, we'll use two types of control nodes, label and button. Create the following as a child of the HUD node. So, label, button, and message timer, or excuse me, just timer. Okay. And this is score label. This is message. This is start button. And this is message timer. Okay, so click on the score label and add and type a number into the text field. I do think it's kind of weird that Godot has like all of these caveats. Not like a lot, but a few caveats in their documentation where they're like, yeah, the way we have things set up isn't that great, so we're gonna have to do this instead. Like here it's like, there's a font file oh, yeah, the default font for the control nodes is small and doesn't scale well. So it's like, why not just include a font that does scale? I don't know. Or like there was these project settings here where it's like under, I don't know, somewhere, where it like had me change the way we import stuff because it just wasn't great. I don't know why. It's like, why not set some of these settings by default? Anyway, I don't know. It was somewhere. All right. So there should be a font. What is it? Theme overrides font. And then load. Okay. It's still too small. Okay. Once you've done this with the score label, repeat the changes for message and start button. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I wonder if you could just set like a default font you could load somewhere. Oh. Oh well. Yeah, man, I am tired. Like I feel it in my eyes, my bones. Okay, whatever. Well, yeah. HUD is the name of our scene. Just saving that. Note. Anchors. Control nodes have a position and size, but they also have anchors. Anchors define the origin, the reference point for the edges of the node. Okay. Oh, Godot. So it's saying we can use the nodes, which are placed here. Oh, okay. So they have like different stuff. So the start button should just say start. The message should say dodge the creeps. I think we're all doing that in our day-to-day lives. All right. So, okay. The score label should be placed at the center. The message should be placed right in the middle. I feel like it's too big. It's like too big. And then the start button, we're going to... Oh. Why can't I click on the... Did it freeze? That was weird. Yeah, unfortunately, like... Unfortunately, you know, it's just... Dodge the creeps. Yeah, that is like way too big. Oh, you know, they new line it. That's why. Then, there we go. There. Okay. Fine. Oh, hey. They tell you how to do it. I'm over here like, okay. There's some extra stuff here. Okay. Message, set the horizontal alignment and vertical alignment to center. Okay. Word. Gotcha. Word. Okay, so hopefully that like auto does it. Let's check. Auto wraps the title, that is. I just want to see what it looks like. Why is it taking so long to build? Oh, good lord. Does nothing show up? Alright, well, whatever. Under control layout, transform. Transform. Set size X to 480. Oh, that's for the start button. Oops. Oh no. There we go. It's for the message. $480. And then again, need that in the center. Oh, okay, so that's how we know it wraps, is because we set the transform. Okay. And then for start, 200 and then 100. Center bottom. And then position Y 580. Okay, and now just the message timer. Set that to 2 for the wait time. One shot property. Oh. Okay. Now add the script to HUD. So we're going to attach a script called HUD. Create. We'll go back here to VS Code. And see. You know, it's interesting. Save files are interesting. Really is just a bunch of text. That's cool. Okay. So HUD.cs, and so it wants us to add a signal for start game event handler. Okay, public delegate void. Oh, here, hold on. Okay. Start game event handler. Okay. Now we want to display a message temporarily, such as get ready. Okay. So we'll add a show message. Public void show message. String text. Var message equals get node label message. Set the text, and then we show it, and then we start the timer. Okay, that kind of makes sense. We're just reusing our existing nodes. Virtual, no, void. Don't need virtual methods. Okay, show game over. Public void show game over. Show message. Game over. Var message timer equals. Oh, an async function. Oh, okay. Man. I'm a tired boy. I have a taco waiting for me in the fridge. Doesn't sound bad right now. Some rice and beans. Get node. Timer. We'll get a message. Timer. Await to signal. Okay, so to signal. Okay. Okay, so it's a promise that returns, or not a promise, but, you know, more or less a promise that returns when the source actually emits the signal. God, and now oh, it's been a day. It's been a day. Alright. We'll pass it the timer dot signal name dot timeout. Okay. We get the... So this is more or less, like a reset. Where it's like, alright, time to go again. Not scale. I'm gonna show the message. And then okay, so these timers show stuff for 2 seconds because that's what we set in the engine. Alright. To signal get tree. Oh, okay, so it's just like get this. Okay. So it gives us the kind of hierarchy, the tree for our current setup or our current scene. So we're creating a timer with a 1 second timeout. Scene tree timer dot signal name dot timeout. I was just seeing if my wife is home, but no, she's not going to be home for a little while. Just heard a car. Okay, then we're getting the button node. Start button. And we'll show that again. Okay. This makes sense. When you need to pause for a brief time, an alternative to using a timer is the scene's trees, or the scene tree's create timer. So you can just kind of like throw in timers as needed. And then, okay, we're updating the store or the score. Public void update score. Okay, and then we'll just, you know. Alright. So it's like, we need to go connect these nodes. Oh. Yeah, that's actually a good point. So like C# async doesn't return voids. actually returns a task, even when you're really not returning anything. Well, I guess you can have voids. I guess I've just never used an async void in... Yeah, see, no return statement needed. Generally, they're tasks. I guess as long as it builds. Okay. I spent, oh my god, about a year working in C#. It was fine. It was fine. How's this? Oh. Okay. I just want to make sure, like, things are being recorded. I guess they are. Okay. I don't know. I guess I should have, like, another monitor or something. I want to get one of those little, like, travel monitors. My wife has one. They're about the size of a laptop screen, so 13 to 15 inches generally. But they're kind of nice. They just fold up. You have a little pluggy that comes with it. It's not bad. It's better than like a whole ass thing. It's good for like airports and stuff. Man, I am yawning up a storm. Okay, so connect the pressed signal of start button. Okay. Fuck it. It's been a hot second. Here. Okay. Pressed. We'll connect it to HUD. Alright. And then message timer. We'll connect the timeout to HUD. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Sure. So we get these two methods. It's annoying to me that they're all snake cased, but you know, that's fine. Won't be the case when I just haven't been paying attention. I guess it wouldn't be hard to just update this, you know, the name there, but whatever. Okay, so when the start button is pressed, we'll hide it, and then emit signal name dot start game. Oh. Okay, it doesn't contain a definition because that's the next thing we're gonna do. It's saying we can connect it to main, and main has new game. Okay. And then we just hide a message should this time out. Okay, kick-ass. So this makes sense to me. We're setting up a timeout signal. So we're saying, okay, set up the signal. We'll kick it off. And then once it times out, we hide. Okay. It's interesting to me. because again, this is like not how I've ever really coded a game before. God, I hope the audio on this is okay. Stressing. Now that we've done the HUD scene, go back to the main scene. Instance the HUD like we did with player. Frick. How'd I do that? No, that ain't it. Instantiate child screen. There we go. Okay. Alright, yeah, it does look like that. Now we need to connect the HUD functionality to our main script. This requires a few additions to the main scene. In the Node tab, connect the HUD start game signal to the new game function. Okay. Wait. Sorry, am I not seeing it? Okay, I just need to reread this. In the Node tab, connect the HUD start game signal to the new game function of the main node. Maybe here. Yeah, I don't see... This is like the first time I've kind of been stuck. Maybe I'm just not paying attention. Let me do that. I'm gonna build... Yeah, I still don't see it. What the hell? There's no start game signal. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's Godot forums. Okay, so select the main scene in the dock. Select main scene in dock. Click chain link and then select HUD scene. What? What do they mean by chain link? Godot chain link? What the hell? Oh. Here. Okay, I'm going to delete that and then just redo it. There we go. Okay, so that's what they were talking about. Then select the HUD scene. Okay. Yeah. I don't have a start game. I don't have a...
Welcome to Learning Godot. In this series, we're going to walk through making your first Godot engine project.
Yeah.
Godot engine project. You'll learn how the Godot engine editor works.
Man, that's cool. People make little videos like this.
Label. And we're going to name that one the message label. And then we're going to add a button. So
this goes on the... Yeah.
Start game to the game title called Game Over that we're going to call whenever the player dies. And we're going to show the Game Over message, and then we're going to wait for the message timer to end. So we do that using a command called yield.
I figured it out. There's a little like signal, the signal thing. Did it? It showed that. It must have. Yeah, I just didn't. Okay, well, you know, that's the way it goes. Is little hangups, but that's fine. Let's build. There we go. And then what? I totally lost my place here. Oh, this is like, yeah, the previous article. Okay. So, in the Node tab, connect... Okay, by... Do we need to be doing this from main? I think so. Yep. New game. Connect. Okay. Okay. That's like a lot of stuff, but man, as a programmer, I always think about I don't know, just like how this stuff is built. Like it must be incredibly difficult to write a game engine. Like I've dabbled with SDL and OpenGL and stuff like that, but never have I like made, you know, like some crazy ass game engine. I think the same thing about programming languages in general. Okay. I don't want lo-fi, dude. Can you just give me some music? Ugh, God, that's slow. I need to get rid of stream music, I think. I just need to... Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Whatever. Okay. So... in main's new game function, update the score display and show the get ready message. Okay. Do we do this at the bottom? Sure. This is actually, like, I really enjoy Godot, but it's also daunting to, like, I don't know, have to, like, learn a whole UI and, like, the whole shindig. Like, I guess it's not that bad. It's, you know, I've learned 1,000 UIs in my life. And, okay, so I just named it HUD. HUD. Oh, no, it is HUD. What? Man. Line 79. What? Oh. We already have a new game. Like, added a extra thing there. Is that really not? Okay. We'll try it. Maybe it's more about the script than it is like the name of the node. I don't know. I hope. Okay, and then this new game, game over, get node HUD, show game over. Oh, HUD dot show game over. Okay, let's see if we can build. All right. Says we can play. I hope we can. I'm a tired boy. Alright. Well, shit, something didn't work. No errors. No, why would there be? That's bizarre. I wonder if it's... I don't know. Maybe it is that? It's like clicking on that button should work. I did the signal and all that. Man, what the heck? That's not popping off. Yeah, on start button click. So what's on start button pressed? Oh, right, I commented that out. Oh, there we are. Okay. Let's try that again. Oh, I need to go back to the main scene. I don't care about this scene. I don't care about that. Oh, maybe it automatically boots up the main scene? Because we set it as main? As the default? I love that. You know, it's all worth this smile. You know? Making yourself happy. I don't know, like, how the score is supposed to increment. Are we supposed to be doing something? That's fun, though. I like that. I mean, that's cool. That's a lot of fun. I'm, like, genuinely kind of excited. I don't know. I don't know what the score is supposed to be, just like not getting hit, I guess. Oh, see, and yeah, the boundary works. I just like how they like kind of overlap, you know, underneath the UI elements and stuff. I don't know. I think it's cool. All right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna head out. I'm done. Is there lag with this video? There is lag with the video. Nothing ever works. Ah! Ugh. My game works. The game works. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Bye.